Hey, good morning, preppers. Just finished with the workout. As you know, there's like a routine here that I got going on, and some people are asking me like, why are your videos so short? Well, I mean, it sucks for watch time, but I only have a certain period of time between the gym and back to the house where I'm headed, so I can get my day started. And as you all know, the internet there super sucks, so I actually have to pull off on the side of the road at a certain point in order to upload this video with my stupid cell phone. But listen, I was thinking about it this morning, and I've been kind of off lately because of all the things that I'm doing, kind of like just shotgunning everything that I'm doing. And things are getting done, don't get me wrong, but it's just when you're someone who needs to be organized and you're not, it can really mess with your brain. And I just realized that that's what's going on. So what I want to talk about are checklists. Now, I'm not talking about like downloading some prepper checklist that tells you that you need 25 pounds of grain and 37 pounds of rice, or that your bug out bag needs, a knife, a tin can, a bucket. You know what I'm saying? That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the day-to-day. Now, while on active duty and not out in the middle of nowhere doing stuff in the woods, that kind of thing, every day was a checklist. And every day was a checklist for a very simple reason, because when you're back in the rear, you have more things that you have to accomplish to make someone happy, to change a percentile on your readiness numbers. Only 32% of your unit is rifle range qualified for the year, and you have to be at 100% before you're considered deployable. The dumbest things on the planet. Make sure you send everyone to dental. Your current dental status is only 24%. You can't deploy unless you're 85%. It's absolutely ridiculous. So you constantly had this checklist of things that you had to try and knock out every single day. Anyway, yeah, that's right. Somebody's being a dick. But the reality is it had to be done. No questions asked. And the way we did it was we created checklists for their checklist. So every day, pretty much like, what do we need to do tomorrow? Put a box, and now you have your plan for the next day. I have not been doing that. I call it my things to do list now that I'm in the civilian world. And it works for me every single day. I know what I need to do. I know if I accomplished it. And more importantly, I know what I need to do tomorrow. And it got to the point where I would literally rewrite these lists every day. And it does work. And yeah, it's a little anal retentive. It really is. But for people with brains like mine, where every little detail counts, then it's absolutely essential. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to try and do a live stream tonight. I can't promise you anything. The wind has been really bad here, and you've seen the fires that I build, and clearly I can't be doing that. Okay, I also have a new special video coming out to see if you guys can actually do it. You're going to see it probably today, maybe tomorrow. All right, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and woo, later.